What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode with Monster Angling. Yes, I am back. It's been a while, I know, I missed you guys, and I'm starting off this video at home. I just thought it'd be better off to do the intro here just because it's been a while. I'm gonna be posting a ton of content hopefully this summer. I do have a little bit more time off. I got some amazing ideas that I want to share with you guys in some videos. And yeah, I'm just jacked to be back at it. So in this episode, we went down to Lake Diefenbaker, Saskatchewan. Now, Lake Diefenbaker, if you guys have never fished it before, it can be a really hit and miss type of lake. Some days you absolutely slaughter them, and some days it is a little bit tougher of fishing. Now, I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys too much, but I'm just gonna say this. It was definitely one of the good days. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna keep this any longer. I will see you guys for the outro, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. I'm hooked up here. Hike. I'll show you the rig I'm running here real quickly, guys. It's a homemade rig, and it has 2 hooks on it for worm fishing. But it's just kind of a yellow blade with black splotches on it. Nothing too fancy, but it seems like it's a good color, and I mean, I caught a fish on it, so I'll probably keep running it for a bit longer here. It's a walleye. It gotta be, yeah. Little guy.
Counts. These guys are biting so light.
Ah, we'll net him. Too small to eat. There he goes. Whee! Bye-bye. All right, I gotta get back in the game here. Guys, Dad's hooked up here again. Looks better.
He's staying down a little bit more.
That's a walleye. It's a walleye.
That's better. That's a better one.
That's a good one. Oh yeah. Big fish of the day.
He's right at that half mark.
Yeah, 19 and a half. All right, guys, there's Dad's 5th fish of the day. Biggest walleye. 19 and a half inches, and we're gonna throw this guy on the stringer, and hopefully I can start stepping up my game here. But awesome fish. Let's keep going. Little Walter, 2nd biggest walleye of the day. Come on, buddy. I mean, almost a keeper. Not quite, but he could. What do you think? I don't know. He's pretty small, but I guess we're not keeping him. How deep are we?
23.
23?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Just turned the camera off and I got another eater. Or actually, he's a bare minimum eater. What would you say, Dad? You could. I'll measure him. I think we should keep him.
Sure.
He's a little bit on the smaller side, but he's probably a 16-incher. He is 16-inch. All right, guys, there he is. My first keeper of the day. Besides the one that Dad let me reel in because he felt sorry for me. Guys, we're doubled. This isn't a good fish. Is it better? Okay, get mine in here. Your net's behind you. I might not be able to net.
No, this one's not that big.
Yeah, actually here, I'll net it for you.
They're pretty close. Nice.
It's not bad.
He's deep.
He's lean.
Who is?
The fish. All right, guys, there he is. My fish. Put him on the tape just for gigs. 14 and a half. We'll see what Dad's measures. We're gonna get him on the big camera here. All right, guys, there is Dad's fish. His third keeper of the day, so he only got one left on his limit, but awesome. Probably we'll throw it on the tape, probably another 16.5 incher, perfect eater. But we'll throw him on the tape and then keep going. What is he? 16.5.
Yeah.
Almost 17 inch. So perfect keeper. There he is, guys. One more look, and we're gonna put him on the stringer right now. We got a double header there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We're pushing 20 fish. Start off slow, hey? Well, guys, we've caught walleye today, we've caught pike today, and now we caught a yellow perch.
I'm over top of my...
Got one. Yes! They're just flying in the boat now, guys. Woo! This guy's bleeding. We're gonna have to get him back quick. Okay, there he is. Little guy. Oh, he's fine. Hooked up. Hooked up. Oh, I don't want to lose my worm. No! Lost the worm. There he is. Another cookie cutter. What we've been catching here. There he is. Oh, there is giant walleye in here, but
I'm gonna go see while little guys get to the big guys.
yeah. But I'm gonna get rigged up here again, and then I really want to catch a big one. Hopefully tonight. Lake Deep is definitely producing today. I got my worm back.
The Great Lakes are getting confidence out there.
It is. Yeah, guys, we're just talking. We're probably closing in to like 40 fish today. That one?
You're still on the boat?
Yep. Double! Woo!
Hold on.
Woo! Bye bye.
Here you go, bud.
Got one. This is fun. Got one. This is ridiculous. There he is, guys. We've lost track of how many fish we've caught today. Ridiculous. I haven't had a walleye day this good in a long time. Got one? Oh, gosh. What the heck is going on here? Oh, it's a monster.
Coming in weird.
This is just a taste of what you can catch at Lake Diefenbaker too. Monster fish, but there's also a ton of fish. It's a good fish. Yeah, we might have to measure that guy. You're gonna have to video me. This is my biggest of the day. You got one?
No, luckily I lost.
Oh, thank God. I don't know. This is getting a little bit on the big side for keepers. We're gonna give him a measure quick. He's kind of lean and mean. 17.5. So we are gonna keep this guy.
For sure.
But there he is. Nice Lake Diefenbaker gold. Awesome. You wanna just back us out here and then I'll put this guy on the stringer? No, never mind. It's solid, yeah. Oh, that's not even big. Dang it. You got one too, Dad?
Double trouble. Yeah.
Someone get the cookie cutter. Canadian net job. Jeff would be proud. All right, guys, there's another one. Oh, that would be a beauty eater. But I think we're gonna let him go.
All right, time to...
Yeah, let's get to shore.
Yeah, go.
Where should we go?
Shore? pull you in.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've ran into a little bit of an issue here. So we were out fishing, slamming fish, and all of a sudden a storm kind of rolled in. It's a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning, as you can hear. We're gonna wait it out here and then probably go back, but it's getting pretty bad.
Okay, so we're weathering out the storm. It got a little worse than we were planning.
I think our boat's sitting on the ground at this point.
Yeah, we're beached. But what do you think, buddy?
Worth it.
Attaboy.
Well guys, we just dealt with one of the biggest storms that I've ever actually personally been in. It wasn't supposed to be that bad, but it ended up raining on us, hailing on us, and it was overall a brutal experience. But got back out here now. My face is filthy because I got sand all over me, because we actually went to shore just to get out of the weather, and yeah, everything got sandy. So we're easily pushing 70-80 fish today. I've lost track by now, but it's been super nuts. So I have my limit of fish here. I never keep my limit, so this is a rarity, but hey, it's good to do once in a while. I know I always encourage catch and release, but it's good to cook some fish up once in a while too. So we're gonna keep fishing here, and I'll keep you posted on what we catch.
Double header.
This is big, Dad.
Okay.
This is biggest of the day for sure. What's the pike? Nope. I think it's a big walleye, Dad. I think it's a big walleye. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good fish. He's not that like insane, but he's pretty big for what we've been catching today. Oh man, that's a good fish.
We get a picture of you and that guy?
I want a video of this guy.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, there he is. Lake Diefenbaker Gold. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Not obviously a giant, but hey, he's good for today. But we're gonna get a release on this guy right now. Just take a second, big girl. But the storm finally passed. You can take a look at that. It was getting kind of sketchy, but we're gonna give it a bit longer here, and then hopefully we can catch some more fish or something big. Got another one here, guys. Sorry about the wind noise. Here's another one. Another eater, actually. There's Dad's fish.
Keeper.
It's so windy. I'm sorry about the audio, guys. Go on.
Really?
Yeah.
You have enough room?
Yeah. Calm down, bro. But there he is. Oh, sorry, bud. Bye. Guys, I'm looking at something big here. One of the dynamite plastics. This is on the walleye worm by Dynamite. Oh, that's big.
That is
that's
good.
no.
Oh, that is a huge fish.
That was like a 12-pounder. Let's go. Well, guys, we're back at the launch here now. I'm just waiting for my dad to back up the trailer here. I don't know how much you guys saw that. That was 30 plus inches probably. I'm pretty heartbroken right now. I don't know what else to say. It was just brutal, but at least we got to see what it was. It was on the Dynamite Plastics walleye worm. So yeah, it's heartbreaking, but all we can do is try to come out here again and get her next time, I guess. Well, guys, that was a little bit of a disappointing ending to an amazing day out on the water. I was very sad that I lost that big fish at the end. However, we had an amazing day out there, caught around 150 fish, which doesn't happen very much down in Southern Saskatchewan. It was just an awesome day out spending some time with my dad. We got on the water. It was a bit windier than we thought it was going to be. A storm rolled through. It was a chaotic day. Now, there's a lot of ups and downs, highs and lows, but overall, just such an awesome day. Kept my limit, which I haven't done in a long time. I don't keep a lot of fish. I love to encourage catch and release type of fishing. Now, all the fish we caught and kept in this video were between 16 and 19 inches. We didn't keep anything bigger. We didn't keep anything smaller. Those are ideal keepers, and they're the best tasting in my opinion as well. It's all about doing your part to help to try to preserve the fishery, right? It's just little things that you can do. Because there's so many more people getting into fishing, there's been record numbers of fishing license sales this year. We need to keep doing our part to preserve our awesome fisheries. Anyway, guys, a little change in subject. We actually thought we had a monster walleye on earlier in the day as well. Believe it or not, the day actually started off pretty slow. We couldn't really find the fish. They were pretty scattered out. They weren't biting very hard. And all of a sudden, I looked over. My dad set into what looked like an absolute tank walleye. So I did turn on my camera here. The audio was absolutely terrible, so I didn't actually put this in the fishing portion of this video. We thought he had a big walleye on, guys. He reeled it up, reeled up a bit more. The thing made another giant run, and then it came to the boat. And I looked down, it surfaced, and it was literally the biggest sucker I've ever seen. If you guys don't know, suckers don't hit bottom bouncers very often, so it was a pretty unique little experience. But this, no joke, is the biggest sucker I have ever seen. So it's kind of a cool experience, and just another awesome fish to add to the great day we had out on the water. Now, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching my video once again. If you guys haven't already, go hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Every time somebody subscribes to this channel, it means so much to me that you guys would take time out of your day to watch my videos. If you're interested, go follow my socials. They'll both be linked down below, so you guys can go check them out. I post them a bit more frequently, so you guys can kind of just keep updated on what's going on in the world of monster angling. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay tuned for the next fishing adventure. Take care, guys.